Hello everyone! In today's video I will share my delicious recipe for chicken soup from scratch using all fresh ingredients. This recipe is for 8 servings, but you can freeze it in jars for later use. Just don't fill the jars all the way to the top because the soup will expand as it freezes. For 8 servings you will need 5 tablespoons of olive or avocado oil, half a chopped yellow onion, 1 pound of chicken chopped into bite-sized pieces, 10 chopped small mushrooms, 14 or 15 chopped green beans, 3 chopped celery sticks, 20 chopped baby carrots, 4 chopped scallions, 1 chopped large potato, half a chopped red bell pepper, 2 cups of chopped spinach, 1 cup of chopped parsley, salt, black pepper, and 8 cups of water. Start by preheating the oil between low and medium heat in a large pot that can hold at least 10 cups of water. Once the oil is preheated, carefully add the chopped yellow onions, cover the pot and let it simmer for 10 minutes, but stir a couple of times to make sure the onions don't stick to the pot. After 10 minutes, add the chicken along with a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and keep in mind that table salt is saltier than Himalayan salt. Mix everything well together, cover and cook for 15 minutes and stir a couple of times. Next, add the chopped mushrooms, green beans, celery and carrots and keep the pot covered as the veggies will release their own moisture, and let it cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the chopped scallions and 1 cup of water and cook covered for another 15 minutes. Next, add the chopped potato, 1 cup of water and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the chopped bell pepper and another cup of water. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. After another 15 minutes, add the chopped spinach, 4 cups of water and another teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and again keep in mind that Himalayan salt is not as salty as table salt. Mix everything well together, cover and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add the parsley with 1 cup of water, mix well, cover and simmer for 30 minutes under low heat. And this is how you make a nutritious and delicious chicken soup from scratch, and the good part is that you can freeze it and save the leftovers for later consumption. If you like this recipe, please give the video the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.